Ganun ka, ako naiinitan pa. Mamaya yan.
Ay, guys, MJ. Asan sila, MJ?
Andyan si MJ, ewan ko pangalan.
Haba?
Yes!
Wow! Thank you, Donna.
Yes. Mga ulo sa'yo, ha?
Dami kong ulo. Okay. Ha?
Basta! Sinarong pala kami!
The rice queen is here.
Rice is life!
Set for it. Julia's Closet here. Yes. And Jen's Kitchen Cooking is my passion. So ito na ang OB. I want the OB.
You want OB?
OB.
Or you reserve na?
Yes, yeah, I wanna get it now.
Yeah.
Bayad ko. Magkano yan?
18.
18. Rice is life is here. Happiness is being a lola. Oh, ayan. Getting ready from Connecticut. Yeah.
Because the wheels is gonna be broke.
Bumili ka na ng bago.
Ayan. Bili na kayo. Bago kayo maubusan. Huwag kayong magsisisig yan. First come, first serve. All the way from Connecticut. Here they are. Salamat. Okay.
Support kami sa fan-paani.
Yeah.
Ay, Lord. Diyan yung kaibigan.
Pas. Sama ka kaibigan ko. Picture, sige pa.
ko. Talaga naman. Ang sexy naman ito.
Oh, sige, isa pa.
Naka...
Okay, 1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2, 3. Oh, welcome to the first timer. Ito, first timer. All the way from
New Jersey.
New Jersey.
Wow.
Thank you.
Ito yung host.
One of the hosts.
One of the host.
Marami kami.
Sure you register. Thank you.
Thank you, Mom.
Yeah, sure. Fine. Mark, wala na tayong malalim na sandok.
Hi, Ate Beth.
Right here.
Rejoice family is in the house. Hello. 1, 2, 3. Baba nyo, ganun nyo. Baba. Oh, so you can see.
Oh, picture mo na, Mars!
Picture.
In charge.
Nagawa kami ng juice.
Naman, Diyos.
Ayan, okay na yan. Lagay mo na kasi naka-ano ako eh.
Nagbigay pa kayo ng pa-door prize na ticket. New Jersey again! Hi, gang! Hi, help in the house!
Libre sapatos.
Libre sapatos!
Size 8.
Ang ganda. Andun ka. Ang ganda niya na. Maganda niya na. Ganda na ano.
Para matago yung lihim namin sa ilalim.
Ganda na na.
At saka, no?
Association Northern New York annual picnic. We're going to have a great time today. Plenty of games for the adults and children. Don't forget to check out the vendors and make sure you get into the 50-50 and the door prizes. At this time, I'm asking everybody to please come up to the pavilion. Folks in the field, please come up to the pavilion for the national anthems.
First, Philippine. Yeah.
First of all, we want to thank you for this beautiful day after those
Ah, dito. Ate Telma. Asan si Ate Telma? Picture tayo dito, ano? Ah.
Papa will be ready in a few minutes, folks, and while you're...
Ah, doon sa labas ang ano? Doon sa labas. Sa labas ang linya. Sarap, May. Thank you, thank you.
Thank you. What is this? May coconut ba to?
Ah, ano, ginataan.
Spaghetti.
Mahal.